Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got an AT&T phone and you're looking to unlock it for free, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching carriers or heading overseas, unlocking your device gives you the freedom you deserve without paying a dime. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to unlock your AT&T phone legally, safely, and completely free of charge. Before we get started, there are a few important requirements you need to meet in order to qualify for a free unlock through AT&T. Your device must be from AT&T. It can't be reported, lost, stolen, or involved in fraud. It must be fully paid off or out of contract. Prepaid devices must have been active for at least 6 months. If you check all these boxes, you're good to go. Step 1. Head to the official AT&T device Unlock portal. Just search AT&T Unlock portal or go to att.com/deviceunlock. I've also dropped the link in the video description. Here's how to do it. Click Unlock your device. Choose whether you're an AT&T customer or not. Enter your phone number and your IMEI number. You can get your IMEI by dialing *#06#. Fill in your name, email, and agree to the terms. Make sure all your information is accurate. Then just click Submit. Now check your email. AT&T will send you a confirmation email. Click the link inside to verify your request. If you skip this step, your request won't go through. Once that's done, all you have to do is wait. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours, but it can take a few days, depending on your device and account status. If your unlock is approved, you'll receive an email with instructions. For iPhones, the unlock usually happens automatically once you insert a new SIM card and connect to Wi-Fi. For Android devices, you may need to enter an unlock code. Just follow the steps in the email, and that's iTour phone is now unlocked and ready for any carrier. And there you have iTour AT&T phone is officially unlocked, and you're free to use it wherever and however you want. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more mobile tips, tech tutorials, and smart money saving tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.